No. Hey guys, we're back to another video. I'm Matt from the last video, Nightmare. Mirror. So, today we're doing a remote control car. And you might be wondering, Ian, why are you eating a banana? Because I can. So, you go up the doodle-doo, go here, go up here, go through your tunnel, if you go through here, and if you touch these black buttons, it's plus a point.
No, we didn't. So we're doing it differently because this is too hard. Anyway, take a magic. So if each time, if you flip over and you have to flip yours over, that, or if you hit something like the cone or the light, or if you fail going up, or if you hit the black pipes here, or the wooden chair here, Ian, what'd you say? You add 2 seconds to your time each time, okay? Which side, but I mean it. Yeah. And whoever has the worst time gets
The punishment. We have 3 punishments that you have
punishment.
to do.
You have to go under a ramp and let the car crush you. You have to make a ramp and let the car run into you, and just go on the floor and let the car run into you. Right, Ian?
Yep.
So
Pretty
Ian
nutty.
will be going first.
First,
Go.
I'll die.
Go die in a hole.
I'm gonna die.
Wait, Ian.
Yeah. Do it.
Don't start. I need to
Wait,
start
no.
a timer. Talk to them. Ian, I said no. Maddie.
Oh, bad Ian.
Ready?
Oh!
3, 2, 1, go. And Ian is going. He's going.
Oh!
Looks like Ian's doing so good. That's plus 3 seconds, I guess. Did Ian make it in? No, he did not. Then plus another 2 seconds. Oh, Ian.
No! What the heck is wrong with this?
Thought I made it easier, Ian.
Oh! You very close.
Now go in. Wasting time. Just don't worry about it. Go.
Oh!
That's plus another 2 seconds. And it's going. No, it failed. Oh my God, what is this? What the heck? Oh, Ian, what is this?
I don't know what is happening. I made it!
Okay, we can just say you made it. So, Ian, you got 1 minute 28. Yeah, you got 1 minute 28, Ian. Okay. All right, that. Okay, you got 1 minute 28, Ian, okay? Got it? Ian, my turn. Ian, you're wasting time. Ian,
It's broke.
I'll fix it. Ian, take the timer.
What gives a crap? It's so safe.
Okay, I'm gonna go fix the other part. Okay, Ian? Got it? Good. Drilled by someone. Ian?
Do it. One,
You got 1
two,
minute 28?
3, 4.
Oh, you got 1 minute 28, Ian, but you got added plus 12 seconds, so you got a total 1 minute 40.
1 minute 40. That's a lot.
Ready, set, go.
Go, you little whip. Go, fly, fly, fly. Go, little wimpy car. Come on, wimpy car. You can do it. You can do it, Car. Let's go. No. Come on, Car. You can fail. You can fail for me. You can fail. So I win. I win. Oh, God. Sorry.
How many seconds have I? How many times have I failed, and how many seconds have I added, Ian?
You already failed 6 times.
What? No.
Yeah, you did. I am not lying.
Ah, yes. A fail is when you not.
Dang, that is 10.
Yeah, a fail isn't when you fail on going that up, Ian. That's not a fail.
Oh, it isn't?
It's when you flip it over.
How many times have you flipped over them?
Ian, you should be counting.
Wait, let me think. Megabind, Ian, Megabind. Think, Ian, think. You have flipped over. Oh, you're so lucky. You have flipped over 5. 5 times. You're so close to getting 6, kid. I don't think we were to do. Ah!
That's it.
Oh! No. Oh, yeah! 6 times. Come on. Okay. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Or if you grab it.
It doesn't count. Okay,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
7. You got 7.
Ah, what?
8.
Or I hit that too. Ah,
Okay, you got 8 so far.
yeah, but I hit this too, Ian. So that's another.
9.
No, yeah, but you don't get it, do you? Yeah, you don't get it, do you?
I do.
Yeah, you're supposed to stop the time. Okay, I for sure lost, guys. So that's Ian won.
Yeah, plus 8, 10.
Yeah. So I for sure lost, guys. So yeah.
Yeah.
Ian. So you just stop the video there, I guess. Yeah.
Why?
Because we're stopping here.
No, I have to do the punch. You have to do the punch.
Oh yeah! Dang it!
Aren't we supposed to do your other remote control card?
We'll do that another day, because
You're tired.
if not, the video will be too long. So yeah.
Yeah, okay. Guys, get ready for the punishment.
Okay, what's the first punishment? Getting run over?
Run over by a car. I'm thinking that you hold the camera.
No.
Move the cone away.
No. If I'm getting ran over right now over here, I mean, like, perfectly fine.
Guys, can you see? Comment down below if you can see this. Get ready. Set.
Well, actually, I'll just put it like right here, because.
Can they see?
No.
Go.
Ready? Set. Oh, fudge, this is gonna hurt.
Okay.
He's
3.
aim for the head.
Ah! Wait,
Oh.
no, that doesn't count.
No, come on.
Eat this.
Ah! Actually, this is more. Ah! Okay, what's the next punishment?
Next punishment. Duct taping him to the wall.
No. Either. I thought the next punishment was get for a drop.
Oh, yeah. Lay down.
Alright, guys, if you do any of this at home, please clean it up.
Yeah.
How do I do? Ah, fudge. Fine, I guess I'll just lay down here. And with the kid, like
No, okay, do you want me to make it a drop? No. You guys, good. Give a thumbs up. Like this video, please. Or pour on likes. Ready? 3,
no.
2,
No, whatever.
1. I'll hold the camera.
Oh, fridge. Oh, I'm dead. Hey, Connor Brad is eating a raw egg. Alright, guys, go check our previous video. Pretty funny watching me eat a raw egg. Okay, now the last one.
Duct tape to